So yeah, I am Dhaval Visariya, a developer by profession and a mutual fund distributor. If you have any queries regarding any mutual funds, तुमने आपको कभी पोर्टफोलियो बनाना हो, बाय करना हो, सेल करना हो regarding mutual funds, bonds, PMS, AIF, so you can tell me, sure, okay? So yeah, अपन लोग देख रहे थे NISM सीरीज 1 की टेस्ट सीरीज, तो अपन ने फर्स्ट कंप्लीट कर दिया ड्यू टू सम टेक्निकल एरर्स. We can't go with mock test 2, so we are going from mock test 3. I will cover it last. So okay, टोटल 8 मॉक टेस्ट है, 550 एमसीक्यूज है. तो या आप एक बार देख के जाना, आप 110% पास हो जाओगे. ठीक है, एक बार देख के जाना. तो अपन सिर्फ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, क्विक रिवीजन है. बहुत मैं आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं दूंगा. आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए तो आप प्लीज देख लेना, इसमें मैंने पूरा लिखा हुआ है. ये सिर्फ क्विक रिवीजन के लिए है. ठीक है, ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. द डिफॉल्ट मोड ऑफ सेटलमेंट इन ओटीसी स्पॉट मार्केट इज ऑलवेज डिलीवरी बेस. ओके, the methodology usually used to value European option is black and spot. A trader does the following currency futures trade: sells Euro INR and Japan INR for an equivalent amount. What view has he executed? Euro winning against JYP. In OTC market, 1 month USD INR is quoting at dash and future are the same maturing quoting at dash. Which of the following describe possible arbitrage trade and profit per USD if the arbitrage trade is carried till maturity? Buy USD INR in OTC and sell in futures. Person sells 10 tokens of USD INR April future contract at 66.50 and squared off his position after INR appreciated by 100 ticks. What will be the profit or loss in the trade? 2500. अपन को 100 टिक से प्रॉफिट हुआ है, तो अपन मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 0.0025 से. तो आंसर आएगा 2500, क्योंकि यहाँ जो भी आंसर आएगा 0.25 इंटू 10 लॉट्स इंटू number of per lot is equals to 1000. It means 2500. The maximum net NPA percent which an AD category 1 bank can have for it to become a trading and clearing member for any recognized currency future exchange, 3%. Mr. Gopal has invested rupees 1 lakh in UK securities. At the time of investment, the exchange rate was 100. After 2 years, his investment gained 25% in GBP terms and he liquidated his investment and repatriated the money to India at the exchange rate of 105. What will be the real return? 31.25. And multinational company has export revenue in JYP and it used a part of it to make import payments in USD and balance is converted in INR. The company is considered about JYP USD risk for its import payment. Which of the following best describe company's risk and currency future strategy that is made used to migrate the risk? Mm, is USD appreciate against JYP short JYP INR and long USD for the same maturity. Okay. What a client default in making payments is irrespective of a daily settlement. The contract is closed out. The amount not paid by the client is adjusted against the initial margin paid by the client. Okay. Okay. Consider a scenario in the OTC market. 1 month GBP USD is quoting a dash. In the currency future market, 1 month USD INR is dash, and 1 month GBP INR is dash. A trader does his calculation and feels that he construct a dash position using currency future USD INR, GBP INR future set. It will be premium to the GBP USD quoted to the OTC market. Which of the following trade strategy can be best captured his arbitrage opportunity? uh, Sell GBP USD on OTC and buy GBP INR and sell USD INR in the currency futures. The lot size of JYP INR future contract is 1 lakh JYP. A trading member buys 9 lots of April USD INR futures and also sells 9 lots of May future in his proprietary book. On the same day, a client of the TM buys 9 lots of April future and sells 9 lots of May future. What will be the open position of TM and his clients at the end of the day? 36,000 and 18,000. You can check the explanation. Okay, it is very simple. A trader sells 10 lots of dash of 1 month future when price is dash and squared of 5 lots after a week even price at dash. How much money did he make loss of the part of the transaction which was squared off? सेल बोल रहा है तो फर्स्ट आएगा. ओके, ये बाय होता है और ये सेल होता है। ये बाय होता है, ये सेल होता है, ठीक है। पहले सेल बोला है, इसे पकड़ो। बाद में बाय बोला है, स्क्वायर ऑफ वन बाय, तो ये पकड़ो। देख लो कौन सा बेटर है। पहले सेल किया इतने में और बाय किया इतने में, क्या बच रहा है? प्रॉफिट ऑफ 3750। ओके। Trading member buys 20 lots of USD INR 1 month future of day one at dash and also sell 50 contracts of the same contract on same date at dash in the proprietary book. The settlement price for day one was 75 and he paid the MTM accordingly at the end of one on the carry forward position. The settlement price for day two is 75.60. How much will his mark to market profit or loss pretending to day two loss of 6,000? A trader in currency market believes the USD INR will move from dash in next 2 months. Which of the following would go to execute this view using currency future contracts of dash? Long Euro INR, short USD INR. Identify the appropriate strategy for a bearish view on USD INR and trade objectives of zero cash go out. Sell USD INR call option. Trading members buy 20 lots of USD INR 1 month future on day one. Also sell 12 lots at same contract on same day dash in the proprietary book. The settlement price for the day was dash. What would be the mark to market margin on the open position? It is loss minus 800. Okay. If USD INR future was trading at dash and INR appreciate by 2 ticks, what will be the new trading price? 2 tick equals to 0.25 paisa or 0.0025 rupee. When INR appreciate against USD by 2 ticks, the price will fall by 2 ticks. It means new price will be 70.9975 slash 71.0. Of the below option, which one is true for exchange traded derivatives? They are standardized formal rules for risk management and burden sharing in exchange traded derivatives. Dash typically the market makers in OTC market for currency option banks. Derivatives held for the trading or speculative purpose are required to be reported as current asset and current liabilities. Trading members buy 70 lots of Dash, 1 month futures of day one at Dash, and also sell 90 lots of the same contract on the same day at 8.55 in the proprietary book. The settlement price for the day was 88.10. What would be the mark to market settlement of the open position? Plus 9,000. Assume all other factors remain constant for a long fall option. Once the break-even price is surpassed, the profit continues to increase as the underlying asset price rise. State whether this is true or false. True. What term describes a trading method that uses automated execution logic, algorithm trading, which statement correctly reflects the regulatory norms for obtaining membership in the currency derivative segment for a recognized stock exchange? Membership in the currency derivatives segment is separated from other segments and the required different sets of approval. The current Euro INR future price is trading at the premium to the spot price. The spot price is 101. The trader expects the Euro INR spot price to remain at 101 at the expiry of the 1 month future contract. With all other factors unchanged, which currency future trading strategy would be profitable if the trader expectation is correct? Sell Euro INR. AD category 1 banks who are trading member of currency derivative exchange can participate in exchange traded derivatives. Yes, both of above. Which major global stock market opens around afternoon according to Indian Standard Time? Europe. You place a sell order, limit sell order of 4 USD INR 1 month futures at 86.50 in the order book. The best available by order is 86.6. At which price is your order mostly likely to be executed? At price between 86.6 and 86.5. As per Income Tax Act, income from exchange traded derivative is treated as income from profit and gains from the business and profession. Which option pricing model depends on calculation by iteration by nominal. Identify the true statement with respect to accounting for derivatives under the current situation. All derivative contracts should be recognized in balance sheet. On a particular day, trading members buys a 10 lots of April USD INR futures at 83.6 and also sells 10 lots of May future of at 83.8 in the proprietary book for that day. Daily settlement price for April contract was 83.7 and for May contract 83.9. Correct answer is 0. Mr. Samir has a strong bullish view on USD INR and he thinks that he price would easily cross rupees 84.5 during the next 1 month. To execute the view, he writes a put option with a strike of rupees 84.5 and receives a premium of rupees zero point 0.4 per USD. At the price of the contract, the settlement price was declared rupees 83.7. How much USD profit or loss did he make in the whole transaction? Loss of zero point 0.4. The 1 year interest rate is US is 4.7. In India, if current USD is quoted 83.1, which of the following could be the closest to the 1 year future rates of 85.4? You can see the explanation given below. As per the Indian Income Tax Act, if a taxpayer is opting for the presumptive tax scheme under the Section 44 ED, he can declare the profit at the rate of 6%, 8 for 8%. हाँ कभी 6 भी चलता है I think. He can declare the profit at the rate of 6 turnover in case of receipt check. Okay, you can check this. Okay. The last trading day, the currency option contracts expire at 12:30 p.m. Selling an options means selling a right to buy underlying assets. False. Loss on derivative transaction, which are carried out in a recognized stock exchange, can be set off against any other income during the year except salary income. A trader believes that GBP USD will move from 1.2 to 1.14 in next 3 months. Which of the following would you to execute this view? Currency future of GBP INR and short GBP INR, long USD INR. Currency market participants who try to predict the future movements in the currency rate and take position in derivative contracts based on the view is known as speculators. When trading securities on an exchange, how can a client place an order? All of the above. Which of the following is the last trading day for Euro INR monthly future contracts? 2 working days prior at the last business day of the expiry month. A person who has invested rupees 1 lakh in an Indian corporate bond for a year being return of 16% in the 1 year. The person plans to use the proceeds from the maturity of corporate bond to fund his son education in the US. At the time of investing in the corporate bond, USD INR spot rate was 70 and the 1 year premium was 4%. The person decided to hedge currency risk using USD INR 1 year future at the end of the 1 year. How much many USD can this person remit to his son? So basically, 1 lakh at 16%. So rupees 1,16,000 they get premium in USD 4%. The future price is 70 into 4% is 72.80. Therefore, USD is 1,16,000 divided by 72.80. Answer come will be 1593.4. Which body act as a central counterparty to USD INR future trades? The clearing corporation. A person buys a one lot of USD INR future and after an hour of buying, the price of the contract move by 400x. By how many rupees is the value of contract change? 1,000 rupees. Can we say that when the USD INR increase one with this means there is an increase in volatility? False. If 1 unit of gold was valued at USD 1000 and 1 unit of gold was valued at Euro 600, then as per the gold standard system, what is the value of Euro in terms of USD? 1.66. You are long in a put option. Which of the following statement is true? Your position after the breakdown point is reached. When the spot price decreases, the option value increase. The currency future segment of the member has separate governing council on which of the representing member of the currency future segment does not exceed 50%. True or false? False. So yeah, we have completed NISM 1 mock test 3. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. I will paste all the link in the description. If you have any doubt, you can comment it down or you can contact me. Okay. If you have any doubts regarding mutual funds, you can also contact me. So okay, bye. Have a nice day. All the best, guys.